Alright, what is up, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to the channel and welcome to today's video. As you can tell from the title of this video, today we are going to be turning it up once again in the MK2 TTS by installing big ol' 3-inch stainless steel downpipe. Of course, we're going catless. We don't have emissions here in Canada, so hopefully we're gonna get some nice little pops and bangs maybe as well. Maybe a little bit of a sprinkle, a little bit of flames in there, but we will see. Obviously we're gonna be going stage 2 Unitronic today, as well as this video once again is sponsored by Unitronic. If you guys want to pick up the tune that you're gonna see later on in the video, head down to the link in the description, head over to ECS and go pick yourself up a Unitronic UniConnect cable and get your car tuned and feeling a little bit faster than it is right now. As I said, we're gonna be throwing this 3-inch stainless steel downpipe into the car today. I will also have a link to that in the description. But before we throw this guy in there, we're actually going to do a full exhaust wrap on it as well, just to keep the engine bay temps a little bit lower than they would be with a completely unwrapped downpipe. We aren't going to be doing ceramic or anything fancy like that because we aren't quite that fancy yet. But we do have the exhaust wrap here soaking in some water just to make it a little bit easier to put it on. And then we're obviously going to glove up because we are going to be messing with some fiberglass. But let's throw the car in the air just so that we can let it sit here and cool down before we go ahead and put our hands on a really hot exhaust. And we're also going to grab some stock revs as well as some stock launch control just to see how the car sounds before we put the downpipe in it. So I don't know if I'll put that here now, but I will put it at the end of the video just so that we have a comparison of before and after. Too quiet. But without me rambling on too much more, let's wrap this downpipe and start pulling the car apart so we can get this done and go for a rip while it's still absolutely beautiful outside. Marango. Oh yeah, look at that flex.
Oh, flex me and call me mommy.
What, Jack's out of this?
Yeah, the engine bay would be probably why I don't hit that. Your fucking side skirt. Like, isn't that stupid? Like, it literally seems like you may be touched.
Now, should I wrap the back half? That's the question. Should I wrap this?
But you're straight piped.
Straight piped!
That's what I say to my girlfriend!
Oh my god. Alright, now this is gonna go sit out in the sunlight to dry.
I would have been so pissed off.
That's probably good then, mate.
You good with these now?
Yeah. Okay, so step 1, we gotta take the old skid plate off. So T25 and a T40, I believe, are gonna both be needed here. Bing, 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 bing. See, this is what happens when I have espresso.
Bong, bong, bong. Yeah, I think it's go time.
Looky here, people. T35 around the perimeter of the skid plate, and then the ones in the back, the one in the center is a T45, and then the ones across the center of the skid plate are T30s. Volkswagen just couldn't fucking keep it in their pants and have one size for everything. Okay, so once you have the skid plate off, we're gonna start off by doing some simple stuff. That bad boy right there, so that's your mid pipe to cat back clamp. Those are 13 mils. Use a 12 point, clean them off and also lubricate them really good because they're probably gonna be rusty. And then I'm gonna scoop you guys under here because next thing that we're gonna do is we're gonna take the front drive shaft bolts off, which you won't be able to see because I have the mic on the camera, so we're just going to turn you guys sideways. They're all the way down there. I'll try and zoom in post so you guys can see them. There's 3 12-point 10 millimeters that we need to get off, and we also need to be able to rotate the drive shaft. So once you have your car in the air, put it in neutral, give it a shake test to make sure it's not going to fall on you because you want to be able to rotate it by hand. And then you might need somebody just to press the brakes while you're trying to break them off, just so the drive shaft doesn't turn. I'm just gonna get you guys out of here because you won't be able to see anything while I'm doing that. See if I still have the forearm strength to rotate this bitch. Does the drive shaft still spin? Or wait, rotate the front wheels. Actually, hold on. I'm gonna, let me get out from under here first. Okay, go. Yeah, keep going. Beep, 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 circus. Keep going. Probably right there is good.
Oh, are you trying to like line it up?
Yep. Just don't sit in the car.
Yeah.
Okay, tell me when. Fuck, these are so tight. Okay, okay, you're good. Okay, spin the wheel, and you're good there. Actually, do a little more. Oh fuck! It just fell in my ear. Ah! Here you go. A little more. That's good there. Okay, foot on the brake. Why are you so tight? Okay.
That's what he said.
Okay, there we go. Okay, I'm just gonna spin these out now. Yeah, I've loosened them all off. I'm just gonna spin them out now. And there's one, if you guys can see. Okay, rotate the wheels, please. Okay there, bud.
Oh, okay there. Where's my double bud?
Where's my double, buddy? Dude, I wonder if I'm gonna make my money back on the downpipe when I recycle it. That would be fucking killer, bud. Yeah, that's probably good right there, bud. Fuck, I got some killer forearm strength. Spinning these out with my fingies. Fingers! Ah! Why are we so cracked out all the time? Okay, next one. There's gonna be so much lube and shit in my hair after this. It's gonna be great. Okay, so the next thing I'm gonna need is a 14 mil, 3/8 drive, and then you can pass me the DAC. Beautiful, mate, beautiful. All right, so now we're gonna do our best not to fucking rotate the wheels so that I don't have to fight the alignment putting it back on. All right, so there are the 3 bolts that hold your drive shaft in. I'll pass those to Warren. 13 mil actually.
God damn it.
Grazie.
Denaro.
Beautiful. Beautiful assistant, mate. Fuck, I love having like a not so old Audi where shit just comes out.
Yep.
There's like one click of the DAC and it's just like, oh, it's out.
Get out of there, you fucking wanker.
Okay, so I don't know if you guys can see. So right here, we've got this piece. It's a little cross brace that goes up and is bolted in behind the exhaust hanger as well. All 4 of the bolts are 13. So you have 2 that go this way into the subframe, and then you have 2 that go up. Kind of like right here. Now we have to, now we got to do the fucking downpipe. And we're pretty much in the home stretch here. So this is going to be the lovely hard part. Where is my liquid wrench? All right, let's see if I can 360 no scope this bitch. Oh yeah, what a snipe. Dangle snipe Sally boys. Warren, if you could be so kind to get me a 15 mil wrench. And this is where things are gonna get a little bit spicy because now we're undoing the downpipe itself. Actually, this might be a 16, but I will let you know what you said.
I was told, I remember 16.
Oh, okay, so it's probably a 16 then, let's see.
You would be correct, my friend.
Little bit of a thing when we're going to be doing the downpipe bolts themselves now. My lovely assistant Warren has pointed out that we need to basically run a big old chonkin extension either under the master cylinder or kind of like through it to get to the downpipe bolt that is, how did it sit, like that? Yeah, like that, right? Effectively, this downpipe bolt. Do you have the video? I'll show the video of like where. Okay, so as you can see, I'll just let it play. This is the manifold on the driver's side. And then just under right there, that bad boy, that's what we got to get to. Very good, very nice. So I will figure out how to do that real quick, and then I will show you guys kind of how to do it. Because you're going to basically be sticking your thingy down in here. With your airbags, with your airbox out of the way, you're going to want a 12-inch 3/8 extension or just a 12-inch extension of some kind, and then a deep socket, and you're going to run it right here. So you're going to run it underneath these lines, up above your coolant lines. Be careful not to put too much pressure on them. And then just down yonder onto that bolt, which it's going to focus on my hand and not on the bolt, because Sony, you are great at autofocus. There you go, just down in there. And then you'll break it free, and that's basically the biggest pain in the ass of this entire job, is just that one. So I'm going to take that one out, and we'll go back under the car, and we'll pull the whole downpipe out now, pretty much. Ow. What in the fuck is going on here? What am I hung up on?
You have to push it up and then pull it back. You're on the transfer case.
Can you lift it up from there at all?
One sec. 1 second, bud. Pause.
Oh, there we go.
Oh, you fucker. See? I touched it. I helped. Ha 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 ha. I helped. All me. Tyler,
Yo.
look down here.
What am I looking at?
It was all me.
Oh, hello. There you go. Fucking meat!
She's mad. That's a big old DP.
You think that's a little bit of a flow restriction? Oh yeah, bud. Just a little bit.
Just a wee bit of.
Just a wee bit of. Okay, so should I use the factory gasket because I'm probably certain I have.
Let me see. Pull it off.
up now.
Because I don't know. Factory is always better, in my opinion. Not this garbage shit. Yeah. Is it warm? It's gonna burn me? That's fine. It's a little bit, but like once you clamp it down, like that's
fuck
all
it.
that matters.
Back to
Like,
factory.
let me see.
Having fun there, bud?
No.
No?
Are you gonna show us how it's done?
Yeah. 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 Yeah.
Oh, come on. I say the gloves. Oh, find the hole. Oh shit.
What? All right, so in classic that guy tie fashion, we got to do the open downpipe start. So I will give Warren this if you want to go stand behind the car.
Oh,
Oh fuck. You ready? No.
Nope. Stinks.
Stinky. Let's go eat some dinner.
Stinky malinky, baby.
With everything, the downpipe and the drive shaft and all that back in, we now have to put this bad boy back on, which is the main exhaust hanger. Okay, now we get to fiddle around with the mid-pipe stuff. Ow. It's too long, bruh. What the hell?
Oh, that's very hot. All right, so this is the first official catless downpipe startup on the 2013 TTS. So here we go.
Sounds pretty mint.
She sounds pretty decent, pretty fucking good.
Very nice.
So it's actually quite insane the amount of factory restriction that the OEM downpipe has. Like we have 1 cat, 2 cat, and I believe this is a resonator. Like, so now we have 3 inches of stainless all the way on the TT. Let's go take it for a drive and see how this thing sounds, and then I will tune it, and we'll do another video on the tune as well, because you know me by now, guys. I love to do the comparisons and see what the power difference and the 0 to 60 and the quarter-mile stuff is. So we'll go for a drive. I'll throw you guys in the GoPro. We'll get some POV, and we'll see what this gal sounds like. Okay, let's see what launch control sounds like. Nothing crazy, it's not like a Mark 7. She sounds good though, god damn. All right, so that will do it for today, ladies and gentlemen. I hope you enjoyed today's video, and I hope you like the new sound of the TT. Stick around for when we do a couple more mods so that we can go stage 2 plus with the high pressure fuel pump, as I have ordered a, for lack of a better word, shitload of parts for the TT. But anyways, ladies and gentlemen, thank you for watching today's video. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe, share this video with your friends, and peace out. I will see you in the next video.